Good morning, children. Now we are going to start with exercise 10.3. I'll do question number 1 D part. It says, find the area of rectangle with length 2 meters and breadth 70 centimeters. Now look, both the units are different, so we are going to first convert into same units. Length is 2 meters and I can write it as 2 into 100 centimeters, that is 200 centimeters. Breadth is 70 centimeters. Therefore, area of rectangle, you people know the formula, it is length into breadth. Therefore, 200 into 70 centimeter square. These are the units of area, square centimeter or centimeter square. So if we multiply, 2 sevens are 14 and you can put 3 zeros with it. Now children, you can convert these units centimeter squares into meter squares. I'll tell you the method how. We are familiar with 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now we have double of its units. We are going to multiply again with meters. So if we have to find 1 meter square, it will be 100 into 100 centimeter square. 100 into 100 centimeter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 1 with how many zeros? 4 zeros. So here is a relationship between meter square and centimeter square. Now let us convert the answer we have found into meter square. You know, when meters is to be converted into centimeters, we have to multiply. But when centimeters is to be converted into meters, we are going to divide. So area will be equal to the 14,000 upon, we are going to divide it by 100 into 100 meter squares. You can easily cancel these 2 zeros and 1 zero from here. Now you are left with 14 upon 10, and if I convert it into decimals, it will become 1.4 meter square or 1.4 square meters. Now let us begin with question number 4. The area of rectangular garden 500 meter long. This 500 meter long, that means its length is given. Sorry, I am repeating the question. The area of rectangular garden 50 meter long. 50 meter is the length of that rectangular garden given to you. Is 300 square meters. Now children, this area of the rectangular garden is given to you as 300 square meter. What you need to find is its width or the breadth. So let us check. You know, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area is already given to you, 300, length is 50, you need to find its width or the breadth. So whenever you are going to find the breadth, you can use this formula or you can directly write breadth or width is equal to area upon length. Area is 300, length is 50. 0 and 0 cancel. So your answer is 6. As length is given in meters, so breadth or width will also come in meters. Therefore, width of that rectangular garden is equal to 6 meters. Now we are going to start with 6th question. A tabletop, that is top of the table, measures 2 meter by 1 meter. I repeat, a tabletop measures 2 meter by 50 centimeter. What is its area in square meters? So it is a rectangle with length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter 50 centimeter. So length is 2 meters. I am going to convert first of all into centimeters. Breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter, which can be written as 150 centimeters. Therefore, area is equal to length into breadth, 200 into 150 centimeters square. For easy calculation, first of all multiply 2 into 15, 30, then put these 3 zeros with it. So it will become 30,000 centimeters square. Then we are going to convert it into meter square back. As in the previous question, we have divided it into 100 into 100 because we are going to convert it into meter square. So 2 zeros cancel and these 2 zeros also cancel. So area will be equal to 3 meter square. Now come to question number 7. It is similar to question 6. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? This is the floor, this is to be carpeted. That means we are going to cover the whole area. So in this question, we are going to find the area of the floor. Length is 4 meter. Again, first of all, I am going to convert it into centimeters. Breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter, which is equal to 350 centimeter. Area to be carpeted is equal to area of the floor, that is area of rectangle, length into breadth, that is 400 into 350 centimeters square. So when you multiply, you will write first of all the 3 zeros, then 4 into 35, that is 140 centimeter square. Now to convert it back into meter square, so area will be, you have to divide it by 100 into 100.
Okay.
So area will be, cancel these 2 zeros and again 2 zeros. So 14 meters square is the answer for area to be carpeted.